So I think, especially in the position I am now, I feel like I could be helping the next generation or new girls coming in here. I would like to talk to any students or anybody who's thinking about this, just because this is kind of a lifestyle, I would say.
For one, I love cars, so this is right up my alley. It's not really a chore coming into work. I'm able to, get in a groove and get to know how these cars function. I learn something new every day.
I think we woke up one day and said, okay, what happened to all our skilled labor? Because those people are the heartbeat of our country, the middle class. And so I just feel like, one, it's our duty. Every kid in Northeast Indiana that wants to have an opportunity at life, that they have that opportunity. I feel that is their God-given right, and we need to figure out how to give them that opportunity.
Kids don't always fit into the rules provided by the state. The capabilities in our community are here that go way beyond the classroom.
I pay for all the training, you get all the certification. I'll send you to Columbus, Chicago, Detroit, Cincinnati, wherever the training centers are. On my dime, I'll pay you to do it, and you'll reap the rewards. So they start off at $12 an hour as an intern. When we hire them, they become $15 an hour employee. Incentives that they will receive are based on their attitude and their performance and the training that they take. My highest paid employees are the ones with the most training, and we give it to them as fast as they can consume it.
I mean, the knowledge that we learn really helps me apply it here. Customer comes in, your service writer writes up an RO with all the information that the customer gives you, and it's up to you to figure out the root cause. With all the computers that we have now, you need to be able to have that will to learn, because if you don't, then you're gonna sink.
I had an assumption that it was all gonna be nuts and bolts. Something goes wrong or something's broken, you replace it. But a lot of this is computer stuff, and so I have taken the initiative to do my webinars and do my in-person class. I am able to explain what is happening, and it's just not like a recommendation with no explanation.
The faster you can fix a car and the more cars you can fix, the more you'll make. I have technicians that make $50,000, I have technicians that make $250,000.
The ability to move up, throughout the ranks also goes hand in hand with the type of mentors that we have. It is our job, and their job in a way, to teach these, young kids that if you want this as a career path, this is what you have to do.
Especially when they're teachers and mentors, they're very passionate about this, just explaining and sharing their knowledge.
Mike and Noelia share a lot of the same traits, that they both have this same kind of drive that's going to make them very successful in the future. It's awesome to see them grow. They are an amazing team.
As soon as I got here, I felt immediate pressure to perform and know things and learn things.
We both have that drive to learn. We both have that good work ethic. It has benefited us both.
The average employee that goes to these programs, by the time they're here 7 or 8, 9 years, they probably received the equivalent of a 4-year degree in college, except we've paid for it, and they've earned money while they've earned that.
It's not just about the kids, but it's also about those businesses understanding what a 16, 17, and 18-year-old kid can do, having kids stay in our community, having them invested in while they're young, and when we invest in them, they blossom.